So for today's card, we are going to make this very fast, very easy card that you can give to the sunshine in your life. Probably a girl, given how pink it is, and girly and swirly. So sit back and watch how this very fast card comes together with just a minimal number of products. Okay, let's get started. You will not believe how quick and easy this card will be to put together. So we have a piece of designer series paper, and that is from the Flowers for Every Season bundle. I also have a quarter sheet of the Magenta Madness paper. I have one of the cards that was in the Flowers for Every Season Memories and More card kit. And these are so awesome because they allow you to make cards without any stamping that come together really quick and really easy. This die is one of the Ornate Frames dies, and it is in one of the bundles that is in the annual catalog. And I thought that just looked kind of cool to go with the hot pink paper. So let's get started. The very first thing that we're going to do is we're going to cut down our paper to take a 1/4 inch off of each edge. And I think with this striped paper, having that white border all around the hot pink just will add a little something extra to it. So we're going to cut this to 4 by 5 1/4. The next thing that we're going to do is we're going to cut the hot pink paper. And I kind of want the end here that has a little bit more of the yellow. And I am going to cut that. If this is 4, then this is going to be 3 3/4 by 5. Then I'm going to take this extra half of this, well, this is a 1 inch piece, and I'm going to line it up at a 1/2 inch because I'm going to use that to decorate the inside of the card. And that will give me 2 1/2 inch strips. And that just gives you a little extra something something on the inside of the card. Now, the other thing that we're going to do is this card is 3 inches by 4 inches. However, the die, the opening of the die is a little bit less than that. So you don't want the whole card. So I'm going to take a 1/4 inch off of the top edge and the bottom edge of this card. And that will allow this beautiful edging to show through. So with that, the next thing that we're going to do is now we have this piece like this. And you know what? Why waste the whole inside of this piece of paper that's just going to be covered up with designer series paper anyways? I'm going to center this right in the middle of the middle, and I'm going to run that through my die machine, and that's what's going to make our next layer. I'll be right back. All right, I'm back. Look at this awesome frame. Oh my gosh, love it. So we're going to take on the inside of our card, and we are going to adhere little decorative strips down on the inside. And I'm going to put 1 strip on either side. Now this card would be perfect for a teenage girl because it's just girly enough without being little girly. And it's fun. I love these stripes. So let's take what is left of our card back. And we're going to use some glue to adhere that down really well. We're going to center that in the middle of the paper here on our card front. Now we're going to take our designer series paper, and we can just use some adhesive for that. And that goes with a 1/8 of an inch border all around. Can't even tell that the center of that was cut out. Now we're going to take this piece and use our adhesive on that. You can tell I have not used this new adhesive very much. Still getting used to how that comes off. And we're going to make sure that that's centered. We're going to make sure that it's square before we press it down. Then, very last piece, we're going to just put our sunshine card along the front. And this card just fits inside of the dots. And there we have it. That was very fast. Just a couple of pieces, no stamping, one die cut. What an awesome, fun card. Hope you enjoyed the video. And if you did, I would really appreciate it if you would stop at my online store and pick up the materials that you need to make the card. There will be an instruction sheet along with measurements and supplies down in the show notes below. This card was made with products from the Flowers for Every Season card set or suite, and there will be more videos over here that will have videos made with other products in this suite, as well as another video with a related card up here. I would certainly appreciate it if you would hit subscribe, and that way you'd be notified as I make more cards. Hope you're having a fantastic day. Hope you enjoy this project. Bye-bye, crafty friends.